Here's problem 7 from the 2005 AMC 8. Bill walks 1/2 mile south, then 3/4 of a mile east, and finally 1/2 mile south. How many miles is he? In a direct straight line. From his starting point, the choices are 1, 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 1 3/4, and 2. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's follow Bill's path. He walks 1/2 mile south, then 3/4 of a mile east, then 1/2 mile south again. The two southward walks stack up. 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1 mile total going south. Going east he covers 3/4 of a mile. His straight line trip forms a right triangle. By the Pythagorean theorem, the straight line distance is the square root of 1 squared plus 3/4 squared. That's the square root of 1 plus 9/16, which is the square root of 25/16. The square root of 25/16 is 5/4, which equals 1 1/4 miles. So the answer is 1 1/4, which is choice B.